All right, folks. April is shaping up to be a very big month for AI, and Anthropic, they're teasing us a little bit.
Yeah.
I would say they're teasing us because their next release called Mythos, we already covered it in a few videos, is strong AF.
Yeah, they say it's so strong that they don't want us to use it first.
That's scary. That's a ridiculous amount of balls, right?
Yeah.
They're just saying, yeah, you guys, yeah, we know you will be irresponsible with this tool. We know you're gonna use this to hack websites or like not us, right? But like the hackers out there because it's so strong at coding. The stats are already up. They released a new project called Project GlassWing to help with security first and security hardening. So like all these companies, they're just firing a warning shot. They're like, buy us, buy us. Make sure you're secure because if you don't buy us, you're a toast.
Yeah.
Right? Apple, your operating system, maybe not gonna be so good. AWS, you might be running for free for a while if you don't buy us.
Yeah.
That's how much balls they have, right? So in terms of pure performance, they gave out a system card and they gave up some stats. But Mythos preview seems to be out. Like, it's not like a linear improvement. It's a big, massive jump.
Yeah.
Right? So, like, they're putting out these stats. No one's tested this out yet other than security companies. That's what the whole point of GlassWing is. But they're saying, respect our size.
Yeah. Pause.
Respect our size first, right? So it is extremely powerful. And I think we can see a preview of how strong they are by just how fast Anthropic is building.
Yeah.
They're releasing things nonstop. That being said, of course, it's still not stable because they accidentally leaked the source code for Claude Code.
Yeah.
So it's like fast, but they break things themselves too.
Yeah.
So they said, you know what? Instead of us breaking everything, why don't you guys try to break your own stuff first? Right, so they released this report and said, "Hey, look, cyber defenders, you guys have a head start.
Yeah,
you guys can start trying to use that and then try to build something with it first, right? Or try to defend your own system first. So I think like they're seeing that vulnerabilities like credit cards can be hacked.
Yeah,
we know Sony leaked massive amounts of data. So they're saying you guys secure up your systems. Don't put everything into a text file.
Yeah.
Scan through. Mythos will fix everything for you.
Yeah. There's also like one thing here. The humanities last exam.
Oh, really? Wow.
It's at 56.8% without tools. So they're saying that like Mythos practically is already a PhD across all academic field, which is
So does that mean that if they get 100%, they can kill us? It's a humanities last exam. They passed it. Now it's your turn's over. It's our turn now.
Yeah.
But the score results are just phenomenal. So previously, if you look at humanities last exam, like Opus, like say 4.5 to 4.6, you probably have like maybe 3-4% increase. You're getting a 16% up here.
Yeah.
So it's significantly stronger at reasoning. So I think there's a lot of fun. I've seen a lot of articles saying, "Oh, AI, it's all fluff." No, dumbass, it's not. Okay. I actually talked about with a programmer friend yesterday. The critique of AI is that AI just predicts the next word.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But what if we just predict the next word too? In our brains. What if we are just large LLMs? And when we're thinking, we're just predicting the next word that goes on.
Yeah.
And we have a little bit of reasoning, and maybe because the way that these AIs are developed, they mimic the human brain.
Yeah.
Right. They have neural networks which map kind of how our brains, their neurons are mapped. So now that it's so strong here, that this is a huge leap forward. This is no joke. So by putting this out, I think Anthropic has a lot of balls. They're really saying, "Hey, guess what? It's really that big." They wouldn't make they wouldn't make this sort of announcement if they were just a small step forward. They wouldn't be so big as to say, "Hey, look, kind reminder, please buy us." Hey Google, kind reminder, your AI sucks. So kind reminder, you should buy us and do security tests and not just use your own stuff because we're gonna break your shit.
This feels like the Avengers versus Thanos.
Yeah. So all you other companies, we can put your logo up there because We know we're good. So by having such a big balls and announcing a project for security guys to come first, this is definitely huge. And yeah, like Anthropic can behave like this. They can be bad. They can mistreat us as users because
They're in a position to do so.
they're in a position to do so.
Yeah.
Right. If you're this big, you should wave it around. You know?
Pause.
So we'll have to see. So yeah, us normal folk, we won't get access to it. But if you're a security researcher, do tell us. Tell us how it goes, because we're not security researchers at this current point of time. So yeah, so they have access to that early on, and right now it does seem to be really, really strong. So I think it is responsible for them to do it. But that being said, I'm really excited for this release because it means that we can really just. I think it changes how we program, because like if this is the case and it can really figure out how to design and do things properly,
Yeah.
it will significantly improve us as a human species.
Yeah.
Because any dumbass idea can now become a
Exactly.
billion-dollar project.
I think it'll be very seamless. We don't need a Claude.md file anymore to start anything.
We're going. We don't need a Claude.md file. All right, so yeah, that's it. I do think that they are pretty big. You wouldn't do this if you're small, right? So we'll see. So with that, guys, I hope you guys are excited as we are. We know at this point, I think there's like a war between OpenGPT and Claude. But I know Anthropic has mistreated us in the past. But that being said, I respect their size. I definitely,
I'm scared of your size.
I'm scared of your size, right? The developers can see your size first, and then they'll show us the size. All right. So with that, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. We just came back from Easter, so stay tuned for more videos. We read every single comment. We're making more content for you guys. I know that you guys like guides, so more guides are coming. And yeah, if you guys want to know a bit more about us, we'll talk about our holidays in another video or something like that.
Sure.
So with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace.